MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
Here at MotorWeek, we get to drive a lot of very special machines. Dream cars like the Ferrari F355, the Porsche 911 Turbo, and this Lamborghini Diablo. But when you've been there and you've done that, what could possibly be next? Well, this week, FYI reporter Lisa Barrow joins the folks from Lamborghini and a company called Global Marine Performance for a step up to the next level.
One has 36 cylinders, 72 valves, and more horsepower than we've ever tested. It's the Hustler 50 Pace Boat. Powered by triple Lamborghini Marine engines, the $738,000 Hustler 50 packs nearly 2,000 horsepower and hustles to 100 miles per hour in a remarkable 15 seconds.
Here you've got our Lamborghini engine installation. These are the Lamborghini V12. It's an L900 engine. It's 570 cubic inches, 650 horsepower at 5,200 RPM.
This engine is derived from the racing experience. Last year Lamborghini won the World Offshore Championship. The engine has 2 valves per cylinder with electronic fuel injection.
Harness and surface drives and roll-up propellers complete the propulsion package. The Hustler 50 Pace Boat is custom built by Global Marine Performance in Hampton Bays, New York. It takes 3 months to build and utilizes today's latest technology and materials.
It's a 50-foot boat. It's got 24-degree deep V. It's what we call a variable dead rise, ventilated bottom. So it's got multiple steps between the bow and the stern. It's running on multiple contact points. So the boat is very stable.
Approaching each wave, the tendency is to reach for the nearest grab handle, but instead of going over a wave, the Hustler 50 goes right through it. And it seems the faster you go, the better the ride. I could have used the optional windshield, because at times it felt as though my clothes and skin would blow off.
I don't know if you've noticed when you're riding out there with this, even going over big waves, there is no rattling, no twisting, no flexing, and that's very important. Again, just like a car with a real tight suspension, you don't want to hear things creaking and groaning and feeling a car moving around on you. It's the same thing in a boat. You want it to feel good and solid.
And while we're comparing boats to cars, if you think your Lamborghini Diablo gets bad gas mileage, try 1.2 miles per gallon on Precise. That's what the Hustler 50 gets at cruise speed, 60 miles per hour. And the 50 is packed with every conceivable safety feature, which was a comforting thought as I took control of the boat for the first time. You can almost feel each propeller biting in the water, like tires on pavement. Acceleration is unbelievable for a boat this size. It's like a rocket sled. Exhilarating and quite literally breathtaking. And the sound? It's like nothing else. And it leaves me with the thought that MotorWeek should get wet more often.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.